Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can share a file on OneDrive, but mark it as view only, so people you shared the file with can't download the file. Let's get right into it. So the first step is, if you don't have a file on OneDrive already, you need to upload a file. You can do so by dragging and dropping a file into OneDrive. Once you've uploaded the file, I want you to put your mouse on top of the file, then right click. Then I want you to click on Share. After that, I then want you to click on the Link Settings button down here. Then, I want you to tick the Anyone option for who the link works for. Then you want to go to More Settings, and it will probably say Can Edit by default. Click on this drop down menu, and then click on Can't Download. After that, then click on Apply. Once you've done that, I then want you to click on the Copy Link button. Then you can click on the Close button here. And that's all you need to do. You now have a link that you can share with other people, and when people use that link to view this file, they won't be able to download the file, just view it in the web browser. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like in the comments if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.